Hello. In this video tutorial I will teach you how to create a business page for your business. Okay, let's get started. Open your internet browser. And type www.facebook.com. And press enter. Or click into the search option. You can see the basic Facebook interface. Go to the menu option. To the top right corner of the Facebook. Click into the menu option. You can see a drop-down options. Click into the page option. To create your business page you have to choose a business name. Once you select a business name, write the business name into the page name option, like here I am using my Clint business name. Saudia Software House. You can see the written name displayed in the side view. I just change it into Saudi Software House. You can see the changes in the side display. After that select the category of your business. Like I am choosing software company. Now the next option is to add the information of your company. For this I already wrote about this company. I just copy and paste it into the About option. While I copy all the information and paste it, you can see the changes into the side view. After writing the description, just click the blue button of Create Page option. Your page has been created successfully. In the next option you have to add all about your business such as logo, information about your business. For this scroll down the left sidebar. Click into the Add Your Logo. Select your company logo and click Open. You can view the changes into the right side. Now choose the cover photo of your business page. I already downloaded the required photos, you can select accordingly. Once the cover photo uploaded, it will show on the side view. Now click to Save option to save all these changes. Once you click into Save all options saved, and you move into the next page. This is your business page. Let's get start to create a post. Click into Create Post option. Write something about your post. As I am writing, hello, this is a new page. Now add a picture by clicking picture icon, that is with Messenger and WhatsApp. Select your post image from your gallery. And click into Open. Click into the blue button of Post. Now your page is ready to post for your business products. There are a number of some other options to make your business page look more impressive that I will show you in the next episode of Facebook Business Creation.